Hi everyone, we are starting a highly intensive mentorship program. I'll give you all the details. Please watch the video till the end, okay? Don't miss any points. We are not going to call you or email you and tell you all this again, okay? Please go through everything very carefully, right? So this is a program that we have started to get ranks within 100, below 100. Getting a rank within 100 is not just important to you, it is even more important to me. Okay. So who are we looking for? This program is designed for very specific kind of students who is not just talented. We are not just looking at talented people, but truly committed to achieving something extraordinary. You have to achieve a top 10 rank. That is the target. Okay. We are searching for individuals who have the drive, discipline, and determination to reach the very top. The right mindset, you should be highly dedicated and you should have unwavering dedication to daily steady and consistent effort no matter what the challenge. And you have to be strongly disciplined. I don't believe in motivating people. I want to work with motivated people, and you should have strong discipline. Okay. And discipline is the foundation for this program, following the routines and maintaining the focus every single day. And your ambition should be to get a rank within 100. You should have a burning ambition not to just clear the gate exam but to achieve a rank within 100. You should have that ambition, otherwise this program will not work. Okay. And academic readiness, you should be ready for the intensity. You are going to be given a lot of practice questions, lot of exercises, and I will monitor your progress. And I will have regular tests, every weekly tests, just like everyone who has registered for online. And for you specially, I will be monitoring your results and you have to perform well. Okay. So prepare to thrive in rigorous, high pressure academic environment that demands your best every day. It is not for easy goers. You have to have that burning desire to get a top rank, AR1. Okay. So long-term commitment. We are not looking for people who can attend this for 1 or 2 months. We are looking for people who will be with us till GATE 2027, both for GATE CS and DA. And you are supposed to write the exam in Hyderabad only, and till the exam is over, you are not supposed to leave the program. And this program will not have any holidays. Okay. Even on Sundays, we will be working. Okay. Program commitment. Joining this program means embracing a lifestyle built entirely around academic excellence. You should forget everything. Your focus should be only on academics, nothing else. Okay. Every element of the program is designed to maximize your preparation, keep you on track towards your goal. Okay. So what are the program commitments? You should relocate to Hyderabad and you should be in my office every day 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. You will go to hostel just to sleep. So take a cheap hostel. Okay. And follow 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. schedule and maintain full accountability. So we are going to track your progress. We are going to see your outcomes. What do I mean by we? I and people from IISc will be your mentors. They will be available. Mentors will be available for you anytime. Right? So a team of people from IISc will be training you. Okay? Location and schedule. So the location is Hyderabad. Okay? And my office is in Manikonda. And all participants must relocate to Hyderabad for the full duration of the program. This ensures full immersion in the learning environment and access to all the program resources. It is not for people who are going to college, it is people who can be here with us, which means droppers mainly. And schedule is from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Every day you are going to be in my office from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and every day I'm going to see that you are working. A rigorous daily schedule running from 8 in the morning to 10 in the night. This intensive timetable is designed to maximize your study hours and ensure comprehensive coverage of all the subjects. Now it is not just one person preparing for GATE, it is a group of people preparing for GATE. Now everyone has the same aim. You will be learning a lot from your peers. Before you ask me any doubts, you are going to learn from your peers, you are going to learn from mentors. And don't worry, uh, as a teacher, I am very professional and you may think that I am very serious, but as a brother, I am very friendly. You can ask me even basic doubts, simple questions. I will never lose temper or get angry. Don't worry about it. I will be your elder brother. Okay. And daily structure and accountability. Fully structured daily routine. You will be given the routine every day, what to prepare, which topic to prepare, where to prepare it from. Every hour of day is purposefully planned. From morning sessions to evening reviews, the entire routine eliminates guesswork and keeps you consistently productive. You don't have to worry about it. I'm going to give the schedule. Even for online learners also, I'm going to give the schedule in 1 week. You'll get the entire schedule and you can follow that schedule. Okay. And high accountability and performance focus. Regular assessments, performance tracking, and direct feedback from me that every student is held to the highest standard and continuously improving. I will see that you improve every day. You learn something new and you teach something new. We are going to have whiteboard discussions. Okay. The entire team, they will be clearing the doubts of others. They will be teaching what they have learned. It will be a peer to peer. And remember one thing, I'm not providing you laptops. You have to get your own laptops. I will provide you a library of books. You are supposed to read almost every book. Okay. And then important note, we believe in complete transparency. So that is why watch this video clearly. Okay. Before you commit, it is essential that you fully understand the financial responsibilities associated with the participation in the program, right? See, actually for such a program, people are willing to pay, but I don't take payments. It is completely for free, but we will not pay you anything. You have to take care of your expenses. Okay. So there will be no stipend or salary given to this program. This is not a job. It is for you to get a rank, right? And travel, you have to take care of your travel. If you want to go home for 3-4 days, or if you want to go home for 1 week, you have to pay for your own travel for going back home or coming back to Hyderabad. And you have to take care of your accommodation. We will suggest what are the hostels nearby. We'll help you in that, but you are the ones who is going to pay for it. It is just for sleeping, so don't go for a costly hostel, right? Just take a cheaper one, just sleep there, and again anyway in the morning you are going to come to this office, right? So it will be a fully air conditioned office, and you will be given Wi-Fi connections, and you have to get your laptops. Okay. And personal expenses, you have to take care of your personal expenses. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, you have to order from Swiggy, right? And in case if everyone agrees that they want to have food and they are willing to pay for it, we can arrange for the food, but whatever the expense for the food is, that will be distributed among you and you have to take care of it. We will make sure that your time is not wasted. Okay. And then what do you get? In return, for your commitment and hard work, the program offers an extraordinary set of resources and opportunities that are simply unavailable anywhere else. This is your chance to learn directly from one of the best. I'm not saying that I'm the best, but I work every day so hard to be the best version of myself. Okay. So you are learning from one of the best. Okay. And program benefits. We are going to give full course access for free, both GATE, CS and DA, and personalized academic support. And we are going to do direct mentorship. People from IISc will be your mentors. Mentors will be assigned to you, and access to my live classes. Why join this program? Beyond the resources and structure, this program offers something far more valuable. an environment and community that is engineered for success at the highest level. See, when you have an environment of people who are preparing for GATE with you, automatically you will go in the flow. By looking at everyone, you will get the motivation that you too have to work hard, right? The competitive edge. We are going to learn every concept deeply. We are not going to look at the surface. We are going to go deep into every topic. You will have very deep conceptual understanding, right? Whatever I provide in the live classes, I will also explain you those concepts, okay? Highly focused peer environment. So you are surrounded by people like you, and whenever you feel like you are demotivated, you can see them and get motivated. And whenever you are not understanding something, you can discuss with them. There are mentors. I am there. So this is a highly focused peer environment. Strategy. Structured preparation strategy will be given to you. Close mentorship will be given to you. And finally, we expect a rank within 100. The ideal candidate. This program is not for everyone, and this is by design. We are looking for very particular type of individuals. Ask yourself honestly, does this describe you? Okay. So are you serious about top rank? Do you want a top rank in GATE within 100, within 10? Ask yourself. Value discipline over comfort. It is not going to be comfortable, right? But you should have the discipline, okay? And ready to push the limits. You should be willing to push your limits. Self-driven and resilient. You have to be self-driven. We are not going to motivate you, okay? You have to be motivated. I don't believe in motivating people. I work with motivated people. Final call. This is your moment. This program, the mentor and the environment, everything is in place. The only missing piece is you. I am waiting for you. If you have ambition, the discipline, the resilience to pursue a rank under 100, then there is no better place to be there under the guidance of RBR. Join us and transform your preparation. The top 100 is not a dream, it is a destination, and this program is your roadmap. So people who are interested can apply in the link given in the description. Okay? And please specify everything. We want to take people who want to come from tomorrow. Okay? Or you can specify the date when you could join. We will look into it. Thank you, everyone.